Is it possible to change the language for a specific show or movie on Hulu, like Naruto?
Hello, folks. Today we're going to walk through a common question many users have about Hulu. Is it possible to change the language for a specific show or movie, like Naruto, on Hulu? The short answer is yes. It is possible to change the language settings on Hulu for specific shows or movies, provided that the show or movie supports multiple languages. So, let's get into the details.
What language options does Hulu provide?
Hulu does provide language options for its content, but it's important to note that the available languages will depend on the specific show or movie. For instance, popular anime like Naruto often come with both Japanese and English audio, along with subtitles in multiple languages.
How do I change the language for a specific show or movie?
The process to change the language settings is quite simple. 1. First, you need to start playing the show or movie. 2. Then, click on the gear icon, Settings, in the bottom right of the player. 3. From the settings, select Audio and Subtitles. 4. In the pop-up, you'll see options for both audio language and subtitle language. 5. You can then choose your preferred audio and subtitle language from the options available for that specific show or movie. Remember, the available options depend on what's provided for that specific content. Some shows or movies might not have as many language options as others.
What if the language I want is not available?
Unfortunately, if the language you prefer is not available in the options, it means that Hulu does not currently support that language for the specific show or movie. The languages available largely depend on the licensing agreements Hulu has with content providers. If the language you want is not available, we recommend reaching out to Hulu with your request, as user feedback can sometimes influence future offerings. So, there you have it. You can indeed change the language for specific shows or movies on Hulu, but the available languages depend on the particular content. We hope this guide has been helpful for all the anime fans out there who want to enjoy Naruto in their preferred language. Enjoy your viewing experience on Hulu.